Herff Jones is an old company, been around over 100 years. Started in downtown Indianapolis making jewelry and rings in 1920. And through the years, Herff acquired printing businesses and acquired a cap and gown business here in Central Illinois, and really positioned itself as a premium provider of graduation products. A large part of our business is our cap and gown rental business. Those gowns are used, they're worn during graduation, they come back to us, we wash them, we dry clean, we put them back on the shelf and reuse them again next year. The challenge we have is that not all of those gowns come back to us. So beyond the normal challenges of running a distribution center without a WMS system, we now have the issue of sending gowns out and not receiving them back, and we've not had a way to associate and track what gown went to what customer and did it make it back or not.
Herff Jones is very seasonal, so we break it up with our spring graduation where we ship out about 375,000 total units within a span of 8 to 12 weeks. Before Easy Pick, our warehouse management system was very manual. We didn't have an automated system to know how many gowns we had on the floor, and we didn't have the extra quality checks in place to ensure that the correct gown was getting out to the correct student.
Using RFID and then combining it with barcode technology with the Nexa and Easy Pick, we were able to label every gown. And then before the order ships, we can associate the gown to an individual customer. The other thing this does for us is it gives us a much faster turn on inventory visibility. So historically, all the gowns come back at once. We have to sort through them and sort of count and separate and figure out what we have, and it takes months to process. Now with RFID, we bring them into the building, they go through the readers, and we have instant visibility into available inventory to put through our wash process.
One of my favorite features is where we cannot ship the wrong garment with the wrong student. With us associating the gowns to a certain SKU for that school, and then us associating the gown to the student, it has really helped us out on our quality, where we're not shipping the wrong gowns to the wrong school, the wrong student.
With the help of the Easy Pick, you could actually identify the right gown the first time and then pack it right the first time. So it's a big game changer for us overall.
We're seeing ease of cycle counting in inventory, being able to use RFID wands to walk through the distribution center and in a matter of minutes count thousands of items, which would have taken thousands of man hours for us before, has been a really big win. And then the other one is the ability to track and really follow up with customers to get those gowns back.
Now with our new warehouse management system, we don't have to open every single box. We'll just pass them through the readers and we'll get a read on what has been returned so far.
We're fortunate enough to see 99% accuracy rates as it's capturing those gowns coming through.
Because we're an old organization, we have old processes, and so partnering with folks in the technology space like Nexa is really helping us build for that future. They've spent time during the design process with our team, with our associates on the floor, walking through understanding the uniqueness of our site and how to build a solution that worked for us. We're headed down a kind of a digital transformation path. This is step one for us, and Nexa has been a great partner. So as we look at phase 2, 3, and 4 down the road, they're definitely somebody we want to work with in the future.